Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott, and welcome to the Weather Desk. We are officially kicking off the Christmas travel weekend, and Mother Nature has a very busy and very divided forecast in store for the lower 48. From the powerful rain slamming the West Coast to record-breaking warmth across the heartland, you'll want to pay close attention if you're heading out today. Stay with me, and I'll go over just what you can expect. Looking at the National Weather Service forecast for Monday, December 22nd, 2025, and here's what you can expect. A significant and highly impactful heavy rain event is taking center stage as the Christmas week travel rush begins. Heavy rain is soaking Northern California and Western Oregon, while soils were intentionally dry. And intensity of this moisture is raising concern for localized flooding and rock slides. Snow levels are trending higher than average for late December, and most of the precipitation is falling as rain, but the highest peaks of the Sierra Nevada and Cascades are seeing significant accumulation of snow. Several high mountain routes, including Bear Camp Road in Oregon, are officially closed due to winter hazards. A potential winter storm is tracking through the interior west, bringing dangerous conditions to the high countries. There is a winter storm warning in effect for Wyoming, where an additional 20 to 36 inches of snow could fall by 5 p.m. today. Wind gusts between 35 and 50 miles an hour are creating severe blowing snow and reducing visibility to near zero. So if you are traveling through Wyoming or Utah today, consider delaying your trip until this system passes. Now, we are talking about spring in December. A massive upper level ridge is bringing record-breaking warmth to the central and southern parts of the country. Temperatures are soaring 15 to as much as 35 degrees above average, what we should be from the southwest through the Great Plains and into the Ohio Valley. Daily high temperatures are likely to shatter from Texas into the Central Plains. While it's great for some people, it's bad news for anyone dreaming of a white Christmas, as the snowpack in these areas are rapidly disappearing, and we're starting to see the bare ground again. Turning icy as the warm air from the south collides with the lingering cold air in the north. The northeast is bracing for a messy transition. Expect light snow to move through the upper Midwest and Great Lakes this morning, reaching the northeast by tonight. In parts of the Mid-Atlantic and Pennsylvania, look for snow to transition into freezing rain or an icy mix overnight, which could make your Tuesday morning commute very slick. Taking a look at the weather headlines across the U.S. West Coast, you're looking at heavy rain and flood risk. High temperature 55 degrees and a low of 48. And the Rockies, heavy snow and wind with a high of 22 degrees and a low of 8 degrees. The Great Plains, record high and sunny. High temperature 72 degrees with a low of 44 degrees. And the Midwest, mild and windy with a high of 48 degrees and 32 degrees for a low. The Northeast, you're looking at clouds and evening snow, 38 degrees for a high and 25 degrees for a low. And the Southeast, you're looking at sunny and warm conditions with a high temperature of 74 degrees and a low of 52. Okay, Indiana and Ohio, hey, it's time for your forecast and a fresh cup of coffee, right? All right. Hey, what we're looking at is a series of weak disturbances will bring a chance of light showers tonight into Tuesday morning, and then again Wednesday night into Thursday. Temperatures will remain well above normal through the end of the week. Now for your forecast for today, we're looking at partly sunny skies with a high near 44 degrees. Southeast winds at 5 to 9 miles per hour. Tonight, rain likely, cloudy with a low around 39 degrees. South wind around 9 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 60%. New rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch possible. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a high near 53 degrees. Southwest wind 8 to 10 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 21 miles per hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a low around 33 degrees. West wind around 5 miles per hour. And Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a high near 51. Light and variable wind, but coming out of the southeast at 5 to 7 miles per hour. And then Wednesday night, looking at rain in the forecast, low around 46 degrees. Chance of rain is 80%. New rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch possible. And moving right into Christmas Day, cloudy with a high near 62 degrees. Yes, that's right. I said 62 degrees. Winds out of southeast at 8 miles per hour. And Thursday night, chance of rain, cloudy with a low around 54. And chance of rain is 30%. Friday, partly sunny skies with a high near 64. Can you believe that? For December, yes. Okay. That's sure better than the single digits. And winds out of southwest at 15 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy with a low around 43. Appreciate everybody watching this weather forecast and keeps up with everything. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk. Thanks for watching.